Part 13, Exercise 1.1, Question number 9. Compare the following pairs of rational numbers. Subdivision 1, minus 11 by 5, comma, minus 21 by 8. Subdivision 2, 3 by minus 4, comma, minus 1 by 2. Subdivision 3, 2 by 3, comma, 4 by 5. So very first we are going to see about the subdivision 1. So what is the problem given here? Two rational numbers are given. For these two rational numbers we have to compare and say which is the greater and which is the smallest one. So here the given numbers are minus 11 by 5 and minus 21 by 8. So here the two denominators are not equal. So first we have to make the denominator equal. For making the denominator equal, we have to find the LCM. So the LCM of 5 and 8 is, first we have to find the common factor for 5 and 8. But there is no common factor for 5 and 8. So first you should take the factor for 5 is 5 itself. So 1 5s are 5. You have to write 8 as it is. Now you have to find the factor for 8. Factor for 8 is 2. So 4 2s are 8. Again you have to find the factor for 4. The factor for 4 is 2. 2 2s are 4. So now the factor for 2 is 2 itself. So 1 into 2, 2. Now you can find the LCM for 5 and 8. That is 5 into 2, 10. 10 into 2, 20. 20 into 2, 40. So the LCM for 5 and 8 is 40. Now you have to make the denominator which is equivalent to 40. So here the denominator is 5. Whenever I multiplied 5 with 8, you get the answer as 40. So up and down you have to multiply with 8. So minus 11 into 8 is minus 88. 5 into 8 is 40. So the answer is minus 88 by 40. And then second rational number is minus 21 by 8. So here you have to multiply 8 with 5. You will get the answer 40. So up and down you have to multiply with 5. Minus 21 into 5 divided by 8 into 5. You will get the answer minus 105 divided by 40. So now you have to compare the two rational number minus 88 by 40 and minus 105 by 40. So the negative sign with the smallest number is greater and the negative sign with the greatest number is the smallest. So now which one is the greatest? Minus 88 by 40 is greater than minus 105. So minus 105 by 40 which is equivalent to 21 by 8. So instead of minus 105 by 40, I can write minus 21 by 8 which is lesser than minus 88 by 40. Instead of that, I can write minus 11 by 5. Therefore, minus 25 by 8 is less than minus 11 by 5. And then subdivision 2. Minus 3 by 4 comma minus 1 by 2. Here also the denominators are different. We have to make the denominator same. For that you have to find the LCM of 4 and 2. The common factor for 4 and 2 is 2. So 2 2s are 4, 1 2s are 2. Again you have to find the factor for 2, that is 2 itself. So 1 into 1 into 2, 2. So now you can find the LCM for 4 and 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So the LCM for 4 and 2 is 4. So what is the first rational number? 3 by minus 4. So always rational numbers are in the standard form. Standard form means the denominators are always positive. So I have to multiply numerator and denominator by minus 1. So 3 into minus 1 equal to minus 3. Minus 4 into minus 1. Minus into minus, it will become positive. So plus 4. So the answer for 3 by minus 4 equal to minus 3 by 4. So second rational numbers, we are having the denominator 2. So you have to multiply with the 2. So 2 into 2, 4. So I am going to multiply numerator and denominator by 2. Minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. 2 into 2 is 4. Now you have to compare minus 3 by 4 and minus 2 by 4. So the negative sign with the smallest number is greatest. Negative sign with the greatest number is smallest. So minus 3 by 4 is less than minus 2 by 4. So instead of minus 3 by 4, I can write 3 by minus 4. And instead of minus 2 by 4, I can write it as minus 1 by 2. Therefore, 3 by minus 4 is less than minus 1 by 2. And then subdivision 3. 2 by 3 comma 4 by 5. Here also the denominators are different. We have to make the denominator same. So there is no common factor for 3 and 5. First I can find the factor for 3, that is 3 itself. So 1 into 3 is 3, write the 5 as it is. Again you have to find the factor for 5, that is 5 itself. 1 into 5 is 5. Now you can find the LCM. 3 into 5 is 15. So the LCM of 3 and 5 is 15. Now you can make the denominator which are equivalent to 15. So here for the first rational number, the denominator is 3. So whenever I multiplied 3 with 5, I get the answer 15. So up and down I have to multiply with a 5. 2 into 5 is 10. 3 into 5 is 15. So 2 by 3, which is equivalent to 10 by 15. Second rational number is 4 by 5. Here the denominator is 5. So whenever I multiplied 5 with 3, the answer is 15. So 4 into 3 is 12 and 5 into 3 is 15. So 4 by 5 is equivalent to 12 by 15. Now you have to compare 10 by 15 and 12 by 15. So both the rational numbers are having the positive numbers, which is the greatest one. 12 is greater than 10. Therefore, 10 by 15 is less than 12 by 15. Instead of 10 by 15, I can write 2 by 3. So, and then instead of 12 by 15, I can write 4 by 5. Therefore, 2 by 3 is less than 4 by 5.